So you want to make videos like history bypass. The channel currently has like 700,000 plus subscribers, I believe, and makes around 5k to 79k per month in revenue. In the last month alone, it got like 19 million views, and like the channel is blowing up. If you search this channel up on YouTube, let me just show you. The channel is like really good, and the content is especially easy to make. Let me just show you.
Why did aristocrats
If
wear wigs infested with
your
bugs? In the 18th century, large powdered wigs became the height of fashion.
this channel, as you can see, it gets a lot of views. Let me just show you the shorts of it. Millions and millions of views. Some of these videos get like, let me show a sort by popular, 34 million, 10 million views, 8 million views. So it is, this channel is blowing up. So we can make videos like this. All we need is a few things like, chat gpt for facts. Okay, for image generations, we can use Midjourney. If you don't have Midjourney, you can use Blue Willow or Leonardo AI. For facts also, you can search, use chat gpt, or you can use Google, Quora, or Reddit. For background music, just simply go on YouTube and search for song of history bypass, and this video will pop up. Okay, history bypass background music by EZT. This is the song. You can obviously download this song. If you don't know how to download this song, just head over to Google and type, YouTube to MP3, something like this. Okay, come here, and this is the click on the first or second link, and when it opens up, just copy the video link. Okay, just come here, and just paste it here and click on search. This will come up. Click on convert, and you will be able to download the song. Okay, there will be a few ads that will pop up, but it's okay. You can easily just click on cross and keep moving forward. Click on download, and you will be able to download the song. Okay, so it's fairly easy. Now once you have the song, now let's generate script. Though essentially this channel focuses on historical figures, so let's just start with generate a list of historical figures. Okay, now ChatGPT will generate a list of historical figures for you. Okay, Cleopatra, Julius Caesar, Joan of Arc, Leonardo da Vinci, William Shakespeare, Galileo Galilei, and keep on generating. Okay, now once you are like content with the list, just click on stop. Now let's just say I want some bizarre facts on Galileo Galilei. Okay, let me just copy it. Control C. I'll come up here and like write bizarre facts about Galileo Galilei. Okay, now let on the this chat GPT will run, and it will give you some weird facts about him. Okay, like Galileo believed that the moon's surface was covered in oceans and mountains. He thought he saw seas and continents on moon's surface, which turned out to be optical illusions due to the limitations of his telescope. Okay, he had a pet parrot. Okay, he was the inventor of thermoscope, moon craters named after him. Okay, some of these codes are good, some of these codes are like meh. You can choose whichever codes you want, and then what you need to do is like just copy them in your notepad. Okay, say suppose I like this one. Let me just paste it here. Now I've taken one fact of Galileo. If I want, I can take more facts about him, or I can move on to some other historical figure. Okay, let me just type his bizarre facts about Albert Einstein. Okay, bizarre facts about Albert Einstein. Okay, it will go on. After his death, Albert Einstein's brain was, preserved, I guess. Patent examiner, unusual habit. Okay, I can take this habit. He used to play violin. So let me just paste it here. So once you are able to assemble your facts, okay, he did not wear socks. Okay, just let me come up here and just paste it. Once you are done, like you have got all the facts that you need, you can just copy them here and like type something. Crazy facts about historical figures, part whatever. If it's a first video, just type part 1. Okay, this is the text that you've got. Now for the voiceover, you will use a site which is known as 11 Labs. Just head over to Google and type 11 Labs. Okay, once it opens up, you just sign up. You get 10,000 characters per month for free. Okay, though commercial use is not allowed, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay, once you are in here, okay, go to voice lab. Okay, click on speech synthesis. Okay, now there is the inbuilt voice in 11 labs, which is known as Adam. Here it is, Adam. Just click on it. Okay, come up here and just paste your script. This is your script. Okay, now click on generate. Once you click generate, the script will be generated. Okay, and you can also listen to the voice that comes out of it, and you can then compare this voice to the song videos of history bypass. The voice will be the same. Okay, now obviously the artwork differs at times of this channel. Like sometimes they use a little bit of realistic images, sometimes it uses a little bit of painting type images. You can choose any one you want. Now for the artwork we'll use mid journey, although you can also use Leonardo or you can use Blue Willow. Okay, just in case. Leonardo is also good, but I personally prefer to use I personally prefer to use Midjourney. Okay, just let me click on launch app. Yes, I'm whitelisted. Okay, let me. So once you are in like Leonardo AI, just type in here Albert Einstein. Okay, very simple prompt, and you can use Dream Shaper here because it gives you very good results. Just click on Dream Shaper and click on generate, and obviously you can choose the dimensions of your image and whatnot. And same can be set for by open Discord in your Midjourney. Let me show you Midjourney also. Okay, let me just come up here and let me just type in imagine. Now I happen to use a specific prompt for all of my images. Let me just show you. Okay, few of these prompts. Now I prefer to use cinematic prompts here. Let me just type in here replace with Albert Einstein. I will paste this prompt in the description of this video. Okay, 16:9, or you can choose 9:16 since we'll be making shorts. You can change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Okay, now let us see what the images that it has generated. It has generated fairly good images. I can choose this one. Okay, and I can maybe choose this one. You can also choose Leapix to animate these images furthermore. Just let me show it to you. Leap. You click on upload. Just choose your image, click on open, and it will generate an image for you. And also like Midjourney has also done its work. As you can see, the images here is pretty good and half decent. Okay, you can choose any one you want. Look, it looks so good. So all the images that you generate via Midjourney or Leonardo or any other image generator, you can just head over to Leapix and just generate something like this. It will give a parallax effect to your image, so it will look good. Then all you need to do is click on share, and you will be able to download this sort of mini clip of 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, just click on mp4, click on save. Now type different poses for your figures, like for different poses for Galileo Galilei, for Albert Einstein and whatnot. Once you have generated sufficient images and applied sufficient effect with Leapix, you are good to
Crazy
go.
facts
You can
about
open your
historical figures. Part 1.
yeah wait a minute. As you can see, the voice that is generated by 11 labs is similar to the one used by history bypass. So all you need to do is just click on download. You have this voice, you have the effects, you have the images with the Leapix effect. Okay, now once you are done with that, all you need to do is you have the BGM also, which I told you. This is the BGM video. Just download this video using YouTube to MP3 player. All you have, just click on CapCut and create new. Okay, new project. Import all these files here and you can apply the desired effect. Let me show you what I did with one of my recent projects. Let me just show it to you.
Crazy facts about
Here you
historical
go.
figures. Part 29. Grigory Rasputin, a controversial figure in Russian history, survived numerous assassination attempts. He was poisoned, shot multiple times, and even thrown into a river, but he managed to escape or survive each time before ultimately succumbing to drowning. Queen Elizabeth I of England had a vast collection of wigs, which she used to cover her balding head. Her iconic red wigs and elaborate hairstyles became a fashion trend during her reign. The renowned surrealist surrealist artist Salvador Dali had a phobia of grasshoppers. He once claimed that the grasshopper's noise and movement disturbed him to the point where he would panic. Nikola Tesla, the renowned inventor and engineer, had a deep fascination with pigeons. He used to feed them and even claimed to communicate with them. Pop artist Andy Warhol created a series of time capsules during the 1970s. These boxes contained various items, from newspaper clippings to food, providing a snapshot of the
As you can see, I created this video. Now obviously in this video I didn't apply the parallax effect of the Liapix, but what I've seen is that this channel also applies this effect Liapix, but you know, it increases your hard work per video. But that is why this channel has got like 731k subscribers. My channel, which I'm secondary channel, has got like 2700 subscribers, but I'm trying to slowly build up my production quality and my subscribers. So anyways, I hope this video helped you in understanding how this channel makes its videos. And for an elaborate CapCut tutorial, you can just type in the comments, and I will make an elaborate tutorial how I use CapCut, and just all these effects that I'm using in this. It will be a short video. Once again, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.